In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho campaigns, a fantastic free email marketing software tailored for small businesses. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your email marketing strategy, Zoho offers a robust platform that's user-friendly and easy to navigate. Let's dive in and explore how to get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Zoho campaigns dashboard. Once you're there, your journey begins with managing your contacts. Click on Contacts and then on Manage Lists. This is where you'll organize and keep track of your email subscribers. Next, go ahead and click on Create List. Here you can type in a unique name for your new list. Remember, a descriptive name helps you recognize it later and keeps things streamlined. Once you've named your list, click on Save. This will create your list, and now it's time to add contacts. You'll be presented with several options on how to add contacts. Select Add New, then Multiple Contacts. This allows you to bulk add multiple email addresses at once, saving you precious time. Enter the details such as email, first name, last name, and company for each of your contacts. An important step here is to ensure that you check the box that indicates that your contacts have given their consent to receive emails from you. This keeps you compliant with international email marketing regulations, such as GDPR. With your list set up, it's time to craft your first campaign. Navigate to Campaigns and select Email Campaigns. Click on Create Campaign to start the process. Here you can choose the type of campaign you want to create. For now, let's go with a regular email. Enter a name for your campaign that aligns with its purpose, then click Save and Proceed. Every effective campaign needs a great subject line. Click on Add Subject and type a compelling subject and preheader. This is what your recipients will first see, so make it catchy and relevant. Click Save, and then proceed to Add Sender Details. Here, select your sender name and email address. This is crucial as it helps build trust with your audience. Once you've saved your sender details, go on to Add Recipients. Choose the contact lists or segments you wish to target with this campaign. You can select the list you created earlier. Click Save to move forward. Now comes the creative part, creating the content of your email. Click on Create Content and choose whether you want to use pre-designed templates or start with basic templates. Selecting a pre-designed template can offer a professional look without the hassle of designing from scratch. Choose a template and proceed by clicking Select Template. With your template in place, you can further tailor your email by clicking on Elements, Layouts, and Design to customize your message. Once you're satisfied with the design, it's important to preview and test your email to see what your subscribers will receive. You can send a test email to ensure everything looks good and functions well. After reviewing, if all looks great, you're ready to move to the final stages and prepare to send out your campaign. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Zoho campaigns for your email marketing efforts, helping you engage with your audience and grow your business.